Okay, so I'm just gonna check on them and see if they're done yet or not. Hot oven's been off for a while, so I think that's what's there. They're not quite as good. It looks like they're all ready. So, then put in the blender and puree. Actually, first before you puree them, you want to peel off the skin. Is that what I'm looking for? So that's what it should look like. This is about done. You can just put this in a container with a jar. So I'm going to do it now. Then just repeat that step with your next slices. And if you're running a blender for a long time, it can sometimes put string in your ears. That's why I don't use earmuffs. So if you have sensitive ears, you're at risk for hearing loss. It's something you might want to consider if you're doing this, because it sometimes can run a long time. So yeah, just repeat this process with the rest of them, and this is ready to use right now. Obviously, we're going to need more of it. So I'll do it over again just so you can see kind of. It looks like you get more of them. This was actually from a pretty small pumpkin. rather medium-sized pumpkin. Yeah, this is more. That's just add that and just keep doing that. Sometimes I find it works. The puree is best if you blend it on low and then blend it on high first, and blend it on high after that. So low first, then high. And then whatever left over, just use them in your cooking. Whatever left over, you can just freeze. Wait for later and then heat up. It actually works quite well. So much we have now. So all this will probably produce, a fair amount, but I've got, a lot more pumpkin puree. This is just the first half of the pumpkin, and I've got another much bigger pumpkin actually. So that wraps that up for now. Show you some more photos of what it looks like when we have more of it.